Well, welcome back. It's Crypto Big Boss. I wanted to go into this article on Yahoo Finance talking about the digital euro, which will have privacy safeguards. European finance minister says when it comes to fruition. So it wasn't that long ago. I mean, we just published a video talking about how there will be a realization that privacy is necessary. And people are going to realize that the Bitcoin and the Ethereums of the world don't have these privacy capabilities. It's not saying that they won't have them in the future, but look at this. A digital euro, okay, is going to be released, and they say it's going to have privacy safeguards. Now let's dig into the article and see what they have to say. It says, a new digital euro will offer greater privacy for smaller transactions, but won't allow for full anonymity. Officials said after a meeting of finance ministers from the currency bloc on Monday. No formal decision has yet been taken whether to issue the central bank digital currency, but the European Union is already considering how to tie payment innovations to anti-money laundering rules, both for digital euro and private cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Now, I don't know how they're calling Bitcoin a private cryptocurrency, but let's keep digging in. Ministers had agreed that any new format for the euro could accommodate privacy concerns. Irish Finance Minister Paschal Donohoe told reporters, but new rules will also be counteracting the use of digital euros for unwarranted purposes. Okay, that sounds just like jockeying for position, saying, hey, we don't want people using our currency for nefarious purposes. Okay, that's all political. A risk-based approach could be followed, allowing for more privacy for less risky and smaller transactions, and vice versa. Okay? Offline payments for low-value payments made between people who are physically close, such as in stores or between friends, would help include those cut off from the financial system. The European Commission is due to present a consultation soon on any legislation that might be needed to back up the new digital euro, but has also been warned that an unduly centralized system could represent a honeypot of data for spies and constitute troubling mass surveillance. A completely anonymous digital euro is not desirable, according to the European Commission's Paolo Gentiloni told reporters. The European Parliament last week agreed on controversial new anti-money laundering rules that would require identification of those participating in even small value payments on cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which many in the industry have said would invade privacy and stifle innovation. So you can see this article is saying the things that I've already let out to my folks that are subscribers to this channel time and time again. There is going to be a contest between privacy coins and coins that are just open ledgers where people can see everything about the transaction. These folks want a digital euro that is somewhere in the middle. They don't want it to be totally hidden and private, but they don't want it to be totally open either. Man, that sounds like Zcash to me. Why don't y'all just look at Zcash or look at some of these other privacy coins instead of trying to invent your own? Okay, why don't you just go and look at some of the other technologies out here instead of trying to invent your own? Well, I can't tell them what to do, but I can tell them this. I think in the end, what we're going to find out is we really need total shielding. Okay, this whole idea that we're going to make it partially shielded, it's no good. You're either going to hide the details enough that people have privacy, or you're not. It's not there's no gray area here. If there's any chance that you can uncover details about the transaction, then you might as well just have an open ledger. Make up your mind. But in the meantime, this is a great example to add to your bag of knowledge that there are big entities looking at this. The entire future of a digital euro and whether it's going to be private or not private is currently on the table. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And we'll catch you on the next one.